Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right file and protecting your system. Download a reputable auto key presser, then run it as administrator so it can send keys to other programs. Once done, create a quick restore point and whitelist the program in your antivirus to avoid interruptions. You must also pick the target window now. Focus the app you want automated. Finally, set a hotkey, an initial delay, and a sensible repeat rate so the tool behaves predictably. You now build the actual macro that produces reliable results. Record or type the keystroke sequence, include modifiers like Control or Shift when needed, and group keys into short, logical steps. Then, configure delays, aim for 0, 1 to 1, 0 seconds between actions, and make sure to add slight randomization so the pattern appears less robotic. Once configured, select a loop mode. Run a fixed count, run for a set time, or loop until you press a stop hotkey, which is safer and easier to control. You finish by validating behavior under realistic conditions. Start a short test run in a safe environment and watch for missed inputs or high CPU load. If keys misfire, make sure the target window has focus, increase delays, or enable window-specific targeting so actions go to the right place. If the tool is blocked, re-whitelist it, run it in compatibility mode, or relaunch with elevated privileges. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.